This thing is badass. So before I go out in my car, I think I'm going to drive Chelsea's E36, one of the drift school cars. And I've never driven a BMW. It should be cool. Alright, so we're in one of Chelsea's E36 M3 school cars. There he is right there.
Yep, what up?
And this is my first time driving a BMW, first lap. Here we go.
Second gear the whole time, never have to shift.
Oh, it's reverse. Okay, cool. It's different than what I'm used to, but it's the easiest low horsepower car I've ever driven.
Yeah.
So
I drive my red car later,
yeah,
and you'll feel how the steering's supposed to be.
Alright, so I'm in one of the school cars for Chelsea DeNova's drift school, and we're doing some tandems, and it's gonna be fun. First time driving a BMW. I turned the windshield wipers on. want to chase me again? Okay.
I'm gonna just roll out on you if I leave. And I'm at 45 pounds tired. This thing's just set up to mob with people.
Yeah.
That's set up to be easy to fit.
Temps are good. My line was just jacked.
I'm going super wide.
Yeah.
So you have time to stay on the inside.
Yeah. All right.
Is that line good for you though?
Yeah, I just fucked up.
Okay.
So I'll follow you. We're good. I'm happy with that. Cool. I'm just gonna take this off the track. Do you want this off track?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little video real quick.
Okay, I'll pull it over here.
Yeah, in the middle of these. Like in a line.
Oh shit!
You okay? Hell yeah.
That was fun.
Good, man. I'm glad you liked it.
Works really good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah,
Like-
I know the steering.
Like now my car's gonna feel weird on how I hold the wheel, but like once that worked,
Yep.
it was just, you know, your muscle memory, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? And so once it clicked, it was just like, okay, cool. And then
Yeah,
I
I
could,
mean, you were driving up on me, staying where you needed to be.
It's
you looked
pretty-
good when I was chasing you. It's super balanced, right?
the only time you ever even have to like use the clutch is like when you pour on the angle and you're just trying to dig out.
It's like a mini V8.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna take out Chelsea's little short butt car, the TI. Looks really nice on the outside, and give it a go. I can barely push in the clutch, so we'll see. So I know everybody's been waiting for the shotgun bash video, and I made it, but I also included all of the driving I did in Chelsea's school BMW cars, and when I edited the video, it was like 45 minutes long, so I decided to break them up into two, so you guys just watched the video of me shredding with Chelsea in the school cars. I think that what he's doing up at Park is awesome, and I hope to be more involved and get up there a lot more often. And yeah, I just want to say thank you. This is my outro because I didn't film one because I thought it was going to be one video. So thank you, Chelsea. Make sure to go check out his channel. He filmed pretty much the same video as I did, but with different camera angles. So if you wanted to check that out, I'll link Chelsea's channel below, and make sure to follow him on Instagram or whatever to stay up to date, to figure out when you guys can have the opportunity to go out and shred in one of these BMWs. They're fantastic cars, and to be honest, I want one really bad. So hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.